strike 4 times faster than a snake.
If it hits you, it's over.
They punch 3 times harder than a sledgehammer.
I'm well aware of the power that I can generate.
They react 2 times faster than the blink of an eye. Now, the ancient martial arts meet cutting-edge science to test the most complex weapon on Earth, the human body.
We've brought here $200,000 worth of equipment. We're excited as scientists to see what's going to happen here from these martial artists. We got data.
The National Geographic Channel prepares for a unique experiment, bringing together the greatest fighting disciplines in a custom-built arena that took over a year to design and build. Outfitted with dozens of infrared motion capture cameras, high-speed and high-definition cameras, the latest biomechanical and ballistics equipment, and custom-built crash test dummies, all brought together for the very first time. World champion martial arts masters face off with crash test science and NASA technology to measure the science behind the martial arts.
As soon as you make contact, we instantly start collecting data.
This is like nothing I've ever done. You can only kick and punch so many pads, but they're never going to actually give you that reading of how much power you can actually generate.
So which has more power? A flying kick from a world-class wushu master or a chest-crushing knee from a champion Muay Thai fighter?
What you generated was numbers that we see in a 35-mile-per-hour car crash.
And special sensors used in NASA spacesuits take you inside the fighter's finely tuned muscles and nerves to see how they can exert control over literally every bone in their body.
Just letting my toes become like antenna, like an insect's antenna.
We have this whole mystique of the martial arts that you're able to do things that are seemingly physically impossible. Now we mix martial arts with science to reach another level.
We're going to be collecting data at 20,000 samples every second. Go. At the point of impact, over 1,000 Gs of acceleration.
I'm very surprised at the numbers that we're seeing.
If you really look at a real fighter, you can feel it. You can see it in his eyes. When he's coming at you, you know it.
The ultimate warriors face their toughest opponent, science.
That we've seen in all of these tests that we've done is scary, to say the least.
I feel like Superman in a very humble way.
Fight Science premieres August 20th at 9, only on the National Geographic Channel. Dare to explore.